I have some sales downloaded data in the row format in which I have so many unwanted columns, dates are in different format, numbers in text format, which I want to convert table like this. Also, whenever I add more data in the main report like here, and if I refresh the data, it must be included in that report automatically. So in this video, I will demonstrate how I can achieve this by using the advanced option of Excel called Power Query. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it, like the video and do comment. Let's get started. So this is my sheet. First of all, I will make a copy of this and I will call it working file or anything which you like. Now I will convert this into the official format of the table. Come to the insert tab, click on table, make sure you have selected the my table has header and then click OK. After that, right click, come to the get data from table, select this one. It will open the Power Query editor for you. Now we have to select and delete the unwanted columns first. All steps will be recorded on the right hand side, which we can change later on if we want. So let's say I want to delete GSTN number. If you want to delete multiple columns in one go, press Ctrl and hold, then select or highlight the column you want to delete. Here are the invoice date and the invoice amount. I'm keeping these columns. I need customer billing state, don't want delivery pin code, want to delete delivery state, usual price, Shopsy, TDS. Also, I want to keep the business name, GST number and their beneficiary name. Selecting the last column. Now come to the home tab, select remove column to remove all these columns. The first step has been done and it has been recorded over here. Retrieve or go back, just delete. All steps will be deleted, but you cannot do the redo same. So make sure before deleting your steps. Now I want to convert this date. Come to the buyer invoice date. We can see the icon is date and time. It means it data type is the date and time. So we have to select the date only, that will be converted automatically. So we have done our second step. We also want to convert the order date and time into the date format. I will do the same step. Now come to the SKU. Here we have quotation mark and the SKU and semicolon. I want to remove that because the SKU ID is the name after the semicolon. So I have to select this one. Now come to the transform, come to the replace values, enter the single quotation mark in the value to find and leave replace with as a blank or as it is. Click on OK button. Now we have to remove the SKU with column. For this I will use split option, which is the fourth step. Click OK, come to the transform tab, split column, select by delimiter and make sure you have selected the delimiter as a column. If it is different one, we can select the custom. Then click OK, then right click on the SKU1 and then click on remove. You can change the header to SKU. Now in the next step, I want to remove the quotation mark from here as well. So I'm going to select or highlight the product title and description column. Come to the replace values, quotation mark, OK. And now highlight the order date, come to home tab, come to the short group, select ascending order. And we can see all steps has been recorded over here. In some steps we can see the gear icon. It means we can do some changes if we click over here. So let's say I want to find some other values, so we can do the changes. But in some steps we cannot do any changes. Once you're done with this, click on close and load. You will get the table in the another sheet. Close this and check your data whether you get what you want. Now the magic, this data is related to the particular range. Now I want to add some more data. So just come to the last row and paste the new data. Come to the table, select any cell, come to the data, click on refresh all. Your data will be added automatically with all formatting. If you want to learn the Power Query in details, I have designed a course which is available on Udemy. Link has been given in the description. You can join and learn this wonderful. If you have any query, just let me know. I'll try my best to give the answer. Thank you friends for watching. Subscribe my channel, like the video, share with your friends and family who are interested to learn such advanced options of Power Query.